Introduction to Python Machine Learning using Jupyter Lab. Hi, I am Paul Chin, your instructor for this course. If you are looking for a fast and quick introduction to Python Machine Learning, then this course is for you. It is specially designed to give beginners a quick practical introduction to machine learning by doing hands-on labs using Python and Jupyter Lab without being bogged down by theory. All tools used in this course are free and open sourced. What you will learn. In this course, you will learn how to use Jupyter Lab, how to create Jupyter notebooks for each project, some common Python operations in Jupyter notebooks, basic Python for machine learning, how to create models for prediction, exploratory data analysis and visualization, evaluating machine learning models, linear and multiple linear regression, and more. Who this course is for? This course is intended for anyone wanting to get a quick taste on and hands-on machine learning. It is for complete beginners to machine learning, and also for anyone wanting to learn how to create Jupyter notebooks using Jupyter Lab instead of Anaconda. Prerequisites. All you require is a Windows PC. No programming experience is needed. You will learn everything you need to know. My background. By profession, I'm a retired college lecturer and I've been teaching computer science and IT for more than 20 years. I welcome you to this course and see you inside.